This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. A good day to live.
All right, life is good today, fam. What up, what up, what up? Yeah, my woo might be a little broke, but that's how it gets. We've been here for a week now at the what is it? It's the RIU Palace Bavaro here in Punta Cana. This is Sunday, and woo, we're having a wonderful, wonderful time with a lot of great people for sure. Ain't no doubt about it. The landscaping here is beautiful. I mean, we enjoy the property. We enjoy the service here for the most part. I mean, there are a few things here and there that, you know, just like any place that you could always nitpick and find these things and that you're not quite happy about, but you know, hey, it is still during COVID times. We're hopefully getting out of that. We may go to the water park today, we're not sure. I know some have already gone. We may just stay by the pool. I mean, we still got 6 full days left here in Punta Cana, so we still got plenty of time. Now, me and the beautiful Miss Alma, we're not big, you know, thrill seekers and doers. We like to lounge by the pool, lounge on the beach, you know, just relax and have a great time. So we're not sure. Now, we are supposed to go on an excursion tomorrow. Hopefully the weather will definitely, you know, hopefully the weather will cooperate.